How to cancel LastPass Premium subscription. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your LastPass.com, and after getting into your LastPass.com, now what you're going to do is make sure that you are logged into your account. You can tap on the menu bar on the top right corner here. You can tap on login and simply log into your account, add in all of the necessary credentials of your account and log in right like that. So after successfully logging into your LastPass, you'll get into their dashboard, and then from the dashboard you can actually get into account settings. Again, tap on the menu bar right here. You'll be able to get to the account settings. From there you can tap on my account. After tapping on my account, if you scroll all the way down, you'll actually be able to see the option of cancel subscription, or there might also be the option of turn off auto renewal. What you're going to do is simply tap on either of those options. Then you can follow all of the on-screen prompts given by the LastPass, and just like this, when you do follow all of the on-screen prompt, you will be able to successfully cancel your LastPass Premium subscription. And that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.